This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an ice cream truck. First, research local regulations and permits for mobile food vendors to ensure compliance. Next, develop a detailed business plan, outlining your startup costs, projected revenue, and operational strategies. Finally, select a suitable truck model, considering factors like size, refrigeration capacity, and customization options to fit your business needs perfectly. Once your plan is solid, it's time to acquire your truck. You can purchase or lease a new or used vehicle, prioritizing mechanical reliability. Next, install commercial-grade freezers and a robust power generator to keep your products perfectly chilled. Design an efficient interior layout for easy service, storage, and smooth operations, ensuring a great customer experience. With your truck ready, focus on inventory and operations. Source high-quality ice cream products and essential toppings from trusted suppliers to delight your customers. Establish a clear daily routine for stocking, cleaning, and maintenance to keep everything running smoothly. Implement a reliable point-of-sale system for efficient transactions, making sales quick and easy for everyone. Finally, let's talk about marketing and growing your business. Create a strong brand identity with a memorable logo and an eye-catching truck design to stand out. Utilize social media and local events to promote your ice cream truck and reach new customers. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals. Keep innovating and expanding your routes for continued success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.